What if I told you this ordinary-looking 1977 Chevy Impala is actually one of the rarest survivors of its kind? Just 8,500 miles from new. This police package Impala hides secrets that even GM engineers would smile at. It once patrolled Chicago, but strangely it was never lettered, never stickered, and never even fitted with a divider. So, what makes this car so unusual? Let's find out. The 1977 Impala was all new. GM had downsized its full-size lineup, Chevy, Pontiac, Buick, Olds, even Cadillac, into sharper, more European-inspired designs. They called it the sheer look, flat sides, crisp edges, and a bold three-box profile. But here's the twist. While the styling looked clean and modern, build quality, not so much. Look at this gap. Wide enough to stick a finger through. GM's fix? Extra thick door seals. You really had to slam these doors shut, and if you didn't, the factory added little hush collars to help the latch. Most broke years ago. But here's a restoration tip. Wrap the striker in electrical tape and watch your doors close like new. Now, here's where the 9C1 police package comes alive. Massive sway bars, heavy-duty brakes borrowed from station wagons, and the original barber pole Delco shocks, still on this car today. The sway bars were beefy for the era, giving police drivers more control than civilians ever had. And check this out. Police Impalas came with a 120 mile-per-hour speedometer, while civilian cars were capped at 85. But here's a funny detail. The speedometer runs slow. If it says 60, you're really going 70. Even car and driver noticed this back in the day. Maybe GM was giving officers an advantage, or just a headache. Pop the hood, and you'll spot another Easter egg. Random blue-painted bolts. Why? These marked GM's first use of metric fasteners during the late 70s, a small but fascinating detail in GM's transition era. The interior is pure police spec. Rubber floors, AM radio, manual windows. But check the glove box. It still has original warranty stickers, and this car actually used up most of them. Clearly, it saw plenty of dealer visits early on. The trunk is cavernous, one reason departments loved these cars. And every component, from the seat belts to the spark plug wires, feels like a time capsule. So why does this 77 Impala matter? It was the very first year of the downsized 9C1 police package. A car tough enough for duty, but flawed enough to be charming. This one even made it into Edwin Sanow's Chevrolet Police Cars book. And today, nearly 50 years later, it still runs quietly, drives smoothly, and reminds us of a forgotten era of American policing. They're not making 1977 Impala 9C1s anymore. And that's why this survivor is more than just a car. It's history on wheels. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite 70s GM car, and subscribe for more rare classics. Thanks for watching.